NFT 101. We all want to know, what are NFTs? An NFT is a non-fungible token, a unit of data stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain that certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. NFTs can be used to represent items such as photos, videos, audio, and other types of digital files. This digital art just sold for over $19,000. It's just a JPEG that can be copied, emailed, posted anywhere, and replicated. Well, it's special because it has something called NFT, a digital token that says this is the original of my digital art. The image can be replicated, but the token can't. Now the original can be bought and sold or collected like fine art. If you ever bought an MC Escher, you know what you're getting, a canvas with fine art on it, and what makes it special is the person who put the art on the canvas is MC Escher, and you know for a fact that it's only one canvas with that particular art or drawing. That's what makes it rare, and only one person can own it. Insider people are motivated to buy NFTs because it provides a unique connection to the creator that doesn't exist with any other art form. Crypto art has also sprung up an entire community. Essentially though, anyone can create an NFT, including artists, musicians, entertainers, entrepreneurs, companies, and platforms. The most important thing for the creator to consider the value an NFT brings to them. The process of creating an NFT, or minting as is known in the crypto world, selling an NFT can cost anywhere from less than $1 to more than $1,000. The crypto art world has been flooded with a lot of money. It has completely changed the art world. I know it sounds crazy, but there's some truth there. Just talking about crypto and blockchains just makes my head spin. But if you're making digital art, you should know what crypto art is and the opportunity it can provide for your work. CryptoKitties is a virtual pet game based on the Ethereum blockchain. It was so popular in 2017 that it clogged up the Ether network. Today, they have generated sales of over $40 million. Packs and art drops are becoming more common every day as a method of selling scarce NFTs to an audience of hungry buyers. These drops normally require users to sign up and fund their accounts beforehand so they don't miss out on the opportunity to purchase NFTs when they drop. Packs and art drops can be over in seconds, so you need to have everything ready ahead of time. For crypto traders who are primarily interested in buying NFTs, here's a list of popular NFT marketplaces: OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, Bakery Swap, and NFT Showroom, just to name a few. So you want to buy NFTs. First, you can buy Ethereum on Toro, Gemini, or Coinbase. But before you rush to buy NFTs, consider these 4 things. What marketplace do you intend on buying your NFTs from? What wallet do you need to download in order to connect with the platform to purchase the NFT? Which cryptocurrency do you need to fund the wallet with in order to complete the purchase? And are the NFTs you want to purchase being sold at a specific time via a pack or art drop? As you can guess by now, NFTs are only available on certain platforms. For example, if you want to purchase NBA Top Shot packs, you will need to open an account with the NBA Top Shot and create a Dapper wallet and fund it with either the USDC or the supported fiat currency option. You will also have to wait for one of the card pack drops to be announced, then try your luck in trying to buy one of them before they sell out. Many investors are buying NFTs as speculative investments, hoping to flip them for more than what they paid. A growing number of people are holding NFTs for long-term as collectibles. NBA and Formula One have launched projects centered around NFTs, which can be collected or traded. Other uses for NFTs are virtual real estate and video games. I know you're asking yourself, is now a good time to get into non-fungible tokens? The NFT craze is far from being over. Major brands and celebrities such as the UFC have signed deals to release their own non-fungible assets soon. Elon Musk's girlfriend has joined the bandwagon, selling almost $16 million worth of digital art in minutes. Analysts anticipate the NFT market will exceed $1.3 billion by the end of 2021 as more artists, brands, and celebs flock to the space to create their own creative tokens. There will also be a growing range of blockchain platforms competing to produce better NFT services. So I will say for now is a great time to take part in the NFT space. And no, I am not a financial advisor, nor is this financial advice. So with that being said, is this the future, a bubble, or just a fad? Please let us know down below in the comments, and thanks for joining us to empower your ambitious mind.